Hey, what's going on? So today we're gonna do something a little different. In this box right here, I have the cheapest something sold on Amazon for guitars. I thought this might be kind of a fun little series to do once in a while. Buy the cheapest of something on Amazon and see if it's good. Because there's a lot of good stuff on Amazon. And there's a lot of good stuff that doesn't cost a lot of money. Let's compare it, let's check it out, let's feel it, let's test it. Let's open the box. Oh, I got two GoPro Hero 7 batteries. I'm gonna do a video on that too. Alright, here what we got here, let's see. A box inside the box. You don't even know what it is, do you? It's by Rock Jam. And it is the cheapest guitar stand found on Amazon today. And there it is. So what I think we should do is mess around with it a little bit. We'll get a couple of guitars and we'll look at it. First impressions. I mean, it's sturdy. It comes 100% assembled. It says, ooh, designed exclusively in the UK. It locks. Push that little baby down and it's locked so it doesn't accidentally fold up. That's important. It sits flat. It sits stable, like, you know. Let's go get a couple of different guitars. We'll chuck it in this thing and see how well it works. I paid under $10 US for this on Amazon, like $9.82 shipped to my door. So let's go ahead and let's check it out. All right, well here it is. Throw the telly on there. I look at stability, like if it's gonna tip back and forth. It's really solid actually. And once that thing is locked in the back, it's side by side, it's not wobbly. I mean, I'm moving it, right? But the balance of like the angle this way to where it doesn't tip forward or tip backward is good. Let's throw an acoustic on there really quick. That actually fits really nice. Like the thickness and where it hooks in the front. Spin it around and show you the back. It's really good. $9.82. I see nothing wrong with this thing. The only other thing I would say that I would be kind of worried about, not necessarily worried about, but just look at it here, is this is a little bit harder of a surface. It's not like a really soft, squishy. It is squishy, but it's not like felt or something. It's like a soft rubber. On most urethane finishes though, that's not going to be a problem. And then the other thing that I would be also not necessarily concerned with, but here, let me show you. The rubber that this is made out of probably is the sort of rubber that would react a little bit with a nitro finish. But if you had a urethane finish, most modern guitar finishes, it's not going to bother it at all. So that's the only thing the only other thing I might be a little concerned with. Well, there you have it. I like our first little episode of the cheapest thing on Amazon. I almost want to say the cheapest thing on YouTube. I don't know if there's a cheaper guitar stand out there, but you know, it just goes to show you got to look around and try stuff, because for $9.82 at the making of this video, the link is in the description of this video for latest pricing. I'm going to use this thing. It's pretty sweet. Is it going to replace my really nice stands that I have for making videos and around the house? Probably not, but I have a gig this weekend and I did not have a small stand. Actually, I'm just now thinking of that. I'm glad I got this because I will use it this weekend. It's awesome. Cheapest stand on Amazon. You should go get you one. Link is in the description. If you use that link, it helps out the channel in a very small way and it doesn't cost you anything extra. But I appreciate when you do get to use those links in the description of the videos. Thanks for hanging out and we'll talk to you soon.